Bumblebee, it's good to have you back. Nest has been monitoring increased Decepticon activity, and we need all hands, so it's time to get going. Since you haven't seen combat in a while, Optimus wants us to review all system functions. Not that I need to, of course. I am sending objectives to your display now.
We have searched the city, Starscream. There is nothing. Wherever the humans have hidden Megatron's remains, they are not in Shanghai. Megatron's chassis is not all that we search for, Grinder. What a fuel! Ah! Here for the taking, Starscream. It will be my great delight to...
Hostiles confirmed. Decepticon incursion in southwest quadrant.
Grindor! The Autobots have detected our presence. Prepare for combat! I am always prepared for combat.